Hey, what is happening, folks? Welcome to day 17 of the 30 videos in 30-day challenge. Now, in hindsight, I should have actually dived on this topic yesterday, seeing as it was the anniversary and all. However, my brain was not entirely working yesterday, and so I only registered that part last night. Anywho, it's never too late. So what I thought we could dive on today is I actually made my first six figures online 365 days ago yesterday, and knocking on the door of my second very soon. So what I thought we could break down is my top 10 takeaways from the last couple of years in business for aspiring six-figure entrepreneurs. But before we actually get going, if you are in fact an aspiring six-figure online entrepreneur and you want insights on how you can start to build and monetize an audience of your own, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Follow along as I drop all I know this far about building a six-figure per year brand. So let's dive straight into it, folks. Number one, play the long game. Okay, what you really want to do is commit to nothing less than 6 to 12 months to your specific plan or process for your business to really start to gain some momentum and to generate yourself some results. Now, arguably, this might be the slower option, but it is going to be the more sustainable one long term. You know, it's super fun to make fast cash, but not if you actually don't know how to go on and repeat that or scale it in your business. Plus, going on a long-term journey with your clients also creates a bit of LTV and the option for ascension into different products, into different products or services that you have. Okay, number two, skin the fat. It's a funny phrase, but leaning out your process makes space for more of the things that you love both in business and in life. And it's true when they say simplicity scales. So take a look at how you want your overall model to look like and how you actually want your day-to-day operations to work. Remove the things you don't actually need in your process, or equally the things that you don't like, okay, and find ways to add the things that you do, okay. Number three, create more assets sooner. Now, one thing I wish I would have done in my business much sooner was create and stack assets for my business, because what it ultimately does is it removes a lot of pressure in your overall sales process, and it can be highly leveraged throughout the rest of your business. So the more that you can actually start to build that out, the more that you'll have access to different things for future leads, for future customers, etc. Okay. Number four, not everyone is your customer, right? Stop chasing profit and start building relationships. Okay, what you really want to be doing with all of your leads is digging deeply into the diagnosis phase of your sales process and really getting to know if and how you can actually help your audience and if they're actually going to be the right fit, especially if you want to go on a long-term journey with someone. You know, not everyone is going to be the right fit. You're not actually going to vibe with absolutely everybody in your audience. Maybe the pricing is wrong. Maybe your value sets don't actually align. So, it actually saves you in the long run by going deeper on the diagnosis phase before folks become a paying client. Okay. Number five, invest in yourself and your business. Stop shying away from investing in things that can actually support your journey and overall growth. Okay, you will collapse timeframes massively if you have access to systems, processes, and support to inject into your business. So investing is just going to be a continuous part of success in your business and life, because as you scale, you need different things in your business. You need different support. You need different back ends. You need different tools. So you've really got to get comfortable with the fact that that is going to be a continuous journey throughout your business. Okay, number six, smash imposter syndrome in the face. Now, we all experience this at all levels of the game. So you've really got to expect and prepare for it. And the two things I do to counteract that mofo is, number one, remember to celebrate all the micro and macro wins of your specific journey. I think we spend so much time looking at other folks' business models or looking at other folks' success that we really take away from our own experience. And you can't compare your journey today to someone's journey for the last 10 years, right? So you've really got to celebrate every little step and every big step that's going on in your journey, okay? And number two, take more action and stay uncomfortable. The more you actually start to do in your business, the less you're going to worry about what others are doing. And, the more you can be in those uncomfortable zones means that the more you're actually going to grow, okay? Number seven, strangers will support you more than people you've known your whole life. Okay, and the truth is, a lot of the folks you know and love are really happy for you as long as you stay the way that you always have. Okay, and when you start to do different things and grow in different directions, it will be met with a heap of resistance, and you've just got to get to a place where you're cool with that. And a huge thing to remember is if they ain't paying your bills, and I'm going to keep this the PG version because I could extend that a little bit, then their opinions actually don't matter. Number eight, you can sell whatever you want to sell online. I think there's this misconception that you have to buy someone's thing and then go on and sell that thing to make money online. But the truth is, it does not matter what you want to sell, be it physical products, digital products, coaching, consulting services, courses, whether you're involved in fitness, whether you're involved in health, whether you're involved in business, right? What matters is that you have the right process to generate traffic into your world with a sales conversion system in place to acquire your customers. Okay. Number 9, content can and will change your life. Creating content has really been the catalyst to my success online, especially because I've learned how to highly leverage it throughout my process. It takes all the pressure off my overall sales process, and when positioned the right way, can amass a huge following of raving fans into your business. Okay. Number 10, above all, and you will hear me preach about this over and over and over again, you must remember to have fun. Okay. And it's really one element that I've been focused on in business since moving away from traditional business back in 2017, right? Life is short. So if you can choose to have fun with it. It makes the whole experience worth it. So folks, if you got this far in the video, congratulations. You're part of the 1% of folks that actually finish what they start, and you actually have a good shot at making shit happen in your business. So if you enjoyed this, feel free to go and like this video. Looking forward to driving with you all on day 18 tomorrow. I hope you have a fantastic Friday and that you've got some cool shenanigans happening for the weekend. I can't believe it's another weekend again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you tomorrow.